Hey guys, welcome back to another video at Southern Firewood. Today I'm going to be sharpening my chainsaw with the stihl 2-in-1 sharpener. But yesterday I cut off a tree, but I forgot to video it. So I'm going to show y'all what I cut up and what I've done to my wood yard. I've made a few changes, well, a lot of changes. So it is freezing this morning, or not freezing, but it's cold. So I cut up all this wood right here. And I moved my log splitter next to my new wood yard. If y'all remember my first wood yard video. And yeah, I got a bunch of wood. Big pieces. And then this piece, y'all are probably thinking, daggone, that's big, but I forgot to cut it up, so I'm gonna cut it up here. But yeah, so I moved my log splitter right here. And then I weed-eated it all around the wood yard, and then eventually I'm gonna cut down all these little underbrush and make it real nice and big. But for now, this is what I can do, because I'm moving that over there, if y'all see, or I'll bring it over here. I'm moving this little like thing that I used to put my like toys underneath, but now they just sit there. So I'm gonna move them somewhere, I don't know yet. But I'm gonna move that, and then I can put a bunch of pallets back through there and stuff. And yeah, so that's what I do to get more wood. I've seen some people get like 2x4s, or get like 2x4s and then get like a pallet and then like put like a side brace. I do kind of like that idea. I think I'm gonna try that on my next pallet, but for now this is what I did. Oh, but here's all the wood that I cut up from the that I split up for the last video. That's all that wood, or not the last video, but the last video where I split stuff. That's that video. And here probably about Wednesday or so, I'll come out with another video of me splitting this stuff right here. So I got a few more pallets. I got 4 more pallets. I got like 3 smaller pallets, and then I got 1 big pallet. So I'm gonna go show y'all these real quick. So I have these 3 pallets right here. These 3 ones right here. And then if I walk over here, I have that big pallet right there. So yeah, I have a few pallets, and then y'all can't really see, but back in that area over there is where I cut the tree down. It was almost dead, and it was not in a place that it needed to be dead, so we went ahead and cut it up. But now let's get to the video. Me sharpening my chainsaw. I'll get back to y'all when I get everything set up. Peace, y'all. Hey guys, I'm back. I'm going to be sharpening the chainsaw now. So I think I got the camera good. Yeah, that's pretty good, I think. Okay, I'm gonna pull my chair over. Get the sharpening. So this is the stihl. I think it's like the stihl. Yeah, it's a stihl 2-in-1 sharpening system. I have a 3/8 by 4.0 millimeters. So yeah. So let's get into it. I need to find the marking chain where I start. There's this little like chain that's silver that I just need to find it somewhere on here. Somewhere. Well, maybe. I don't know. Actually, it doesn't have one. It has a double side. I just need to find the double side. I guess I'm not finding one. Oh well. Guess I'll have to do what I did last time, because I didn't have a pen, and I didn't really want to go find a pen, so I just did this. So I'm starting. So this is what I do when I'm in a bind and I can't really, know that I started on this one, or I didn't start on this one, and I'll plug it with a piece of, paper or something. That way I know that I have to come back to it, but that way it's marked. So, it takes me a second. Oh, this is what it is. So it's two right after. No, there's not one. I see now. Okay, I guess I have to start like that and then go. Oh well. Oh, this is what I was talking about. There's two of them the same way. See how they're both at that angle and not like one this way and then one that way? There's two of them. It helps you. That's what I was looking for. I was looking for that to mark, because that's what helps you sharpen, because you started at these two, so then you know to stop there. So yeah. Sometimes it takes me a second because I don't get everything lined up, and then I gotta find everything and get it lined up, but I don't know. See, it's confusing. It takes me about 5-10 minutes to get set up because it's so confusing. Not confusing, it just, you know how to do it, but then either I'm doing it really, really wrong, or yeah, so there it is. You just gotta find where your angle. That was not intended. Oh my goodness, guys. That was not intended. I'm just gonna sit you up right here. And I'll get you on overhead angle, because as soon as that thing moved, y'all moved, so. This works just as good. So yeah. I think that's good. Get a little closer. Yeah, I can really. No, I can't have it all closer because I have to go. Oh, that sucks. Because it was really in there too. So I gotta loosen this all back up. Pains. I'm probably going farther. I don't know. Sorry about this, guys. This was not intended to happen. Okay, so I'm starting here. So get y'all set up like right there. Let's show y'all what we do. Sometimes you can sit down and do it, and sometimes, like on this chain, you have to stand up because it is dull. I cut a lot of wood yesterday, a lot. kind of have to. Are you kicking me right now? He slid back down again. Wow. I'm gonna have to do something about that. It's amateur hour over here, guys. Okay, I think that shouldn't go nowhere. Hopefully. No promises, but hopefully. Make sure to like and subscribe if y'all are enjoying the video. So yeah, this is what I use on a daily basis to sharpen my chainsaw. Really good sharpener. Quick. If I would have difficulties with the whatever that thing is, I can't think of it. I always know what it is, but can't think of it when it comes time to say what it is. But yeah, really, I would have already been done with this side if this thing would have not, if it would have held it. I didn't have to keep messing around with it. Comment down below what y'all use to sharpen y'all's chainsaws. But yeah, you can interchange them. Like say they get like used up a lot or something, you can go to like your local Ace or Stihl dealer or whatever, and you can get new files, and you can get a flat file and new files and everything from your local Stihl dealer. Oh, it's this way. Make sure to look at those arrows, because those arrows really help out. Especially when you sharpen it, because if you didn't have those arrows, man, you would get all whacked up. At first, it has a little bit of a learning curve, but once you get used to it, you can really get some work done with it. And this Echo, it's still amazing. It cut all that wood up without a doubt. And it's a lot easier to start than my dad's MS250. It's still not hard to start, but it's... This is like a couple pulls, and which I guess I do use with chainsaw like almost every day, except for Mondays and Tuesdays. And I'm also going to show y'all here in a second. Dang on, that raker was high. I must not caught that raker the last time I... So if I did this one... Uh-oh. Gotta get that paper. That paper fell off and I was like, oh crap. You know, it's reliable-ish. It gets the job done. Let's just say that. It gets the job done. Oh, it's the water heater. I was like, what is that? Comment down below too what's your favorite chainsaw, like model or brand in general. Personally, I have an Echo because at the time that's what seemed the best. And there's a really good story on this. I'll have to tell y'all another time about when I got it. I got it a couple months ago. It's got about 5 tanks of gas in it now. 5, 8, no. It's It's got about 8 tanks of gas because it's starting to open up a little bit more. It's starting to really have some power. I just realized that I just overshot. Oh, God. My bad. That I resharpened this one and didn't. Oh, dude, what did I do? Uh-oh, I resharpened a lot of these by accident. Uh-oh, that ain't good. My bad. My bad. That never happened. My bad. So if I'm starting right here, you go from, start right here. Okay. Oh, you gotta flip it over. Oh, you gotta flip it that way over. There she goes. If you read the, if you actually look at it and not try to do it, it's actually not too hard. Oh yeah, that gets it real nice and sharp. Real nice. Probably gonna be a little bit longer of a video than usual, but it's, well, it's full of information. And showing how the, uh-oh. The paper is not there, so we have a problem. A very big problem. Oh, well. Okay, I guess I'm just gonna rough estimate, because there's no really way to tell now where I'll, what the hell? Maybe I should find my mom. Maybe. What do y'all think? I think y'all should say yes, because I should. Man, I wish they made a chain that never got dull. Like, you could just, it never got dull. You could just run it in dirt and it would never get dull. I would pay a couple $100s for that. Have y'all seen that, comment down below if y'all seen the, like the Oregon chainsaw sharpener, that you have to have like that special chain, but then you like just hold it and it sharpens it. Now, I think that's pretty cool if I didn't if I didn't have a big chainsaw, because I would hate to use that. Or I don't think it comes in like 3/8. I only think it comes in like 325 or 325 or whatever. Something like that. Something like that. Nothing big. Tell me what kind, if y'all have a firewood operation, tell me what kind of units y'all run. Like, what kind of log splitter and chainsaw y'all run. That's always interesting to me. getting a manual filing kit for Christmas. Maybe I'll be able to get in the gullet a little better. As Billy Ray says, get the gullet. Yeah, I really need to clean out the inside of my chainsaw. It is dirty. But I just cleaned it out, so it's not like it's an emergency. It needs to be done, but it's not an emergency. Okay, so yeah, I'm done sharpening it, guys. So I'm gonna take it off here. So here this is, that it gave it a real nice clean sharp. It's not gonna focus. Yeah, so I'm gonna take it off the bench real quick and go get my box of mysteries, as I call it, and show y'all some cool stuff. Oh, goodness. Okay, there it goes. Wait. Oh, my goodness. So, I'm gonna take it right here. Hopefully y'all can see. So right here, in this hole right here, is your oiler, or like your bar where you can put like grease and stuff into it. You gotta clean that out, but I need something to clean that out. Here, I'll be right back. Y'all just stay right there. Try not to run away. So, I have this little screwdriver that I just go and I just clean it out. Just clean it as good as I can. Just get it real nice and just get it, you know, decently clean. And then I come over here to my box of mini mysteries. Right here, my box of mini mysteries. And then I have this and another chainsaw chain. And then this is the lube from Oregon, made in Germany. I got this at Lowe's, or actually, yeah, pretty sure I got it at Lowe's for like $5. Now Home Depot makes like their brand of lube, but it was like $2-3 cheaper. But I figured it's worth the extra to get the name brand, because I bet it's probably the same thing, but it doesn't look the same. So yeah, so what you do is you just turn your bar over. Oh my goodness, it doesn't want to work now, does it? Oh, that's good. I might have done a little too much. Yep, I did. My bad. Oh my goodness. No, I didn't do too much. It just came real quick. Oof. No, I didn't do too much. Darn it. Paper towels are what I was born for. I get my hands dirty so much. I don't really mind getting my hands dirty. It's what's on my hands that gets dirty is what I... Okay, that's good. Yeah, so, and then what I do is I just clean this lube up, make sure everything's nice and clean. And yeah, just make sure you don't... I do it every 3 to 4 times I sharpen my chainsaw, just to give it a couple squirts of it. And it's usually good. But I mean, it just depends how much you sharpen your chainsaw. It's really how much you should put on there. But thanks guys for watching my video on the stihl 2-in-1 sharpener. But it's really just sharpening my Echo cs590 Timberwolf. But yeah, guys, wait, one more thing. So this Echo SRM 210, it's like 20 years old, my dad said. It's older than me. And we used the brush cutter on it. And we did get this new Echo SRM 266 that we haven't even used, and we got it a couple months ago. We got it to put the brush cutter on, but we put a new carburetor to see if it would work. But unfortunately, it was at the end of its line, so the SRM 210 is dead. So sometime this week we're going to take the brush cutter off and put it on the new Echo, and hopefully it doesn't die. But yeah, so thanks guys for watching Southern Firewood. Hope y'all liked the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and make sure to have a good day as always. Peace guys.